At shopping centres, it isn't unusual to find customers driving around in a seemingly full car park, desperately looking for an available bay, especially leading up to Christmas, Mother's Day and other busy periods. Some owners might consider building more parking as the best solution, but before you go there, consider making the most of what you already have by checking out these 4 ways of maximising your car park utilisation. Firstly, review the car park design, ensuring that the traffic flow is logical, simple and easy to navigate. Secondly, adopt an effective wayfinding system. It will act like a breadcrumb trail comprising a parking guidance system, directional line marking, signage and environmental graphics. Thirdly, implement and monitor a clear staff parking policy to make sure that prime parking spaces are available for customers. And lastly, make sure customers feel they are in a safe environment by ensuring all areas of the car park are bright, clean and provide easy access to the shops. Check the video description for the link to our blog.